Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. The things I'm going through and what they going through right now is like tell her I've been looking for. Tell her I've been looking for. Tell her I've been looking for. I'm looking for. Tell her I've been looking for. Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights. Turn on the lights.
What's going on, you sexy motherfuckers? What's going on? How you guys doing? I apologize. I was setting up the stream. And, yeah. Technical difficulties this morning. Let's see. How you guys doing today? What's going on? Is there an echo? You know what? It's quite possible. There shouldn't be. There shouldn't be an echo. Awesome. Everyone's doing great. Okay. All right. Good. All good. All good. All right. No echo. All right. Perfect. Camera. Come on, at night. No, I'm not. I am not out of focus. I mean, I can see myself right here. I look blurry. Fix the focus. Is it off a bit? Really? Ah. It's the chair, not me. 1 second, guys. And it back. Okay. Better? You guys are good? Better? Perhaps Gabe is blurry in real life, like Bigfoot. There you go. What's going on? All right. Yeah. So I was tinkering with my whole setup till like 4 in the fucking morning. And, yeah, pardon the technical difficulties. But anyways, let's go ahead and let's do this. Let's do this, guys, all right? Let's jump right into the fucking charts. How's everyone? Yo! It's Applejacks in the house. Jacob, what's going on? What's going on, man? I see you here lurking. You're lurking, right? You know what? I have this theory that Jacob's always here. He just comments whenever, like, I'm having technical difficulties to, like, sort of kind of remind me, like, hey, bro, you miss me? All right. Let's see, like my cut. Well, I mean, it is what it is. Yeah, I got a head full of hair. Uh, well, Ivan, if you want to put Jacob on salary, I'm just saying it'd be a group discussion because it would definitely help me out, and we'll take these streams to a whole new level because let's see. Oh, Andy, fuck you. But anyways, yeah. I don't know. Ivan, text me. Think it's a good idea? Uh-oh. Is this the beginning of Applejack's return? Oh. This could get really interesting really fast. Really interesting really fast. Ivan, my man, go ahead and text Applejacks and y'all figure that shit out. Yes, Applejacks. We always have fun. We always have fun. Let's figure it out. Okay. Everyone's saying bring him back. Well, it's a little too late for Applejacks to stay away from marriage. That's for sure. That's for sure. A little too late for him to stay away from marriage. But I'm sure he's loving it. I'm sure he's loving it. I'm sure he's loving it. Damn, I'm seeing someone getting voted on to Ireland. Okay, come on. All right, let's focus here. Let's get back to fucking tickers here. Lord, yo, Applejacks, you just steal the show. All right, so to the noobs, Applejacks was actually my switcher guy, right? So he was the one that was doing all the camera cycling while I just focused on just the content, right? And I feel like if I had a switcher guy, then that means he could go ahead and throw the news right here. I have that content feeding right here. Maybe Andy gets me a streaming ticker for the bottom. See, if we're going to bring on Applejacks, you guys want fucking ESPN of stocks, we're going to do ESPN of stocks. I mean, that's the only way we could make it worth Applejacks' time. Oh, plus the editing, plus the thumbnails. Come on, don't lie to the people. Yes, you were a really, really good hand, man. You helped me out a lot. Yes. Yeah, I would roast Applejacks every stream. It was fun. He was like my sidekick. This could actually be good. I don't know. Hold on. We're doing this right now. Hold on. Let's see. Let's see. I missed AJ. Wonder where he went. Do it. Batman needs Robin. How old is he? I think he's like 19. Did he ever finish his schooling? No, he's a fucking college dropout. Just how I like him. You know what I mean? Like, college ain't for everyone. Not that he dropped out on my watch. He did it on his own fucking time. But he was a college dropout. You know what that means? You know what that means? He had so much conviction in his passion that he said, fuck the free world. I love it. That's how we do, man. Right? The most successful people in the world fucking drop out of college. Fuck the free world. All right. Anyways, is this the live creation of the Avengers of the stock market? This might be happening. I already got Andy texting me. His tits are jacked, I think. His tits are jacked. Uh-oh. This could be happening. Kanye West status. Yeah. You know what? I'm really proud of the kid though, right? So, we had that man-to-man conversation. I think Ivan was here when all this went down. And I was like, bro, scheduling conflict. And, he just grabbed his little squirrel nuts and jumped in a car and was like, peace out. You know what? Like, that was the best thing that ever happened to him because he just blew the fuck up. Like, I love it. I love those stories. Wow. Bullish and Applejacks. Jacob, you're getting a lot of love here. Applejacks. Applejacks. I'm doing this on stream. Hold on, we're doing this on stream. Check this out. I'm doing this on stream. Ready? Right? Now, fuck it. I'm going to full send this one. Okay. So, yeah. So, Jacob, can you give me, no, we're doing this live. Ladies and gentlemen, you're tuning into a fucking real-time interview. So, Jacob, can you commit 35 hours a week to me? Morning hours, you're probably done by 3. Can we do this? Peer pressure now, motherfucker. I'm the captain of this ship. Let's see. Can't do 35? Damn. Can't do that? You can't do 35? Okay, 25. 25. Can we do 25? Eggs are expensive. Part-time is 25. 25 an hour. Let's do this. We're negotiating right now. Welcome to the Shark Tank, bro. We'll do 25. $25 an hour. Moto Gabronius. Are we watching auctioning? Fine. I can't give you set dates. I love this. All right, man. You're losing your bargaining chips here. You're losing your bargaining chips here. Right? See, because I'm willing to do 25. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Schedule's different every week. Well, I was thinking about putting 25 hours a week, which is basically $100 a month, $5,000 a month. You got till the end of the stream to figure that one out, brother. All right. Anyways, back to trading. Let's go. How we doing here? How we doing here, guys? Shoot me some tickers. Let's go. Let's go ahead and look at Tesla. Looking at Tesla here, we have a potential Tesla reversal here. You guys see that yellow light here, hence the song early in the stream. After technical difficulties, I was just trying to keep you guys fucking busy while I figured it out. But anyways, we got the yellow light here, and we get a run up to a level. Yes, you guys saw the level. Like, Jesus Christ, levels for the win. All right, Apple. AAPL, Apple. What are we doing here? Okay, so Apple is trying to make that reversal. I'm not going to front run this one just yet. Why? I don't see the indicators leading me into a call. Not yet. Does it mean that it won't happen? No, it does not mean that. It just means not yet. Okay? If we're looking at the 1348 Genie, EMA is in a put. 200 EMA is biased to puts. And RSI, well, bullish, but everything else conflicts until we reach ADX momentum. So ideally what you want to do is wait for all indications to lead and confirm your thesis. Once you get this traffic light here, your thesis is starting to change. Right now is your job to figure out, is this going to move sideways or is this going to cross up? Right? That is literally, guys, that is your decision. That's your flow chart. Yellow light. Is it going to go flat or is it going to go up or down? Basically based on what your thesis is based upon, right? So that's it becomes binary at this point. Flat, or does it go in favor, right? Because before it reverses, or before it goes against you, it has to hit a level, and the level has to show. Now, let's go ahead and look. We do have a level right here at 134.93, right? Applejacks, I hope you're watching, because I could do this mighty fine. But hey, the offer still stands. Yeah, I'm just provoking you. Love you, kid. Anyways, we do have this level here. You could see there's a reason why we would build the thesis that this would be going sideways for now, okay? But it does not mean that the play does not develop. Again, it's all about patience and high probability setups. Okay, now let's go ahead and look at S-Bucks. Starbucks. I fucking hate this place. There's nothing more insulting than getting ripped off for coffee. I get better coffee at like 3 cents a cup. And y'all people fucking paying $5. Jesus Christ. That's worse than paying for a hooker, honestly, in my opinion. Let's see. Okay, so we have Starbucks. You do have the traffic light here, right? The thing is that the play has to catch up to the signal. High probability setups. Just because you see the traffic light does not mean you're just going to jump in and be fucking willy-nilly, like some dude named RV in Market Talk. RD, yeah, RD, Mersh, whatever, the tech guy. All right, anyways, let's see, Starbucks highway robbery, absolutely. Anyways, we got this yellow dot here. It's making this move. Wait for the setup. That's it, okay? Wait for the setup. I haven't jumped in, just watching. Daily Taylor. Let's see. Moto Cabronius. He's like, ouch. All right. Anyways, moving along. Any other tickers? The market seems to be slowing down. It always slows down around this time, right? So let's go ahead and look at Invictus. Invictus has alerted Lucid at 10:52. Let's go ahead and check out Lucid. What is Lucid doing here? Now, Invictus has alerted a cross down after this call. This would essentially make sense, just giving the setup of this, right? Now, your EMA trend is a call, but you can see it got rejected by the 200, now being supported by the 48. RSI is bearish, where we like it, below its moving average and below 50, right? We have weak neutral on ADX momentum. This is actually really, really interesting, right? So what we're seeing here in ADX momentum is it's getting weak based on the uptrend, right? So this is interesting. I would definitely go ahead. There you go. There goes your traffic light. I like the setup. I really do like the setup. Let's see. We do have a level right here. So you're going to go ahead and play this level at 751. And guys, I'm giving you a fucking freebie here because it's a shit stock and I just realized it. But at the end of the day, is Lucid. I almost bought a Lucid vehicle the other day, but then realized that, if this company goes bankrupt, it's worth nothing, right? So moving along. Anyways, Netflix too jumpy right now. Let's go ahead and look at Netflix. Netflix, and what are we doing here? Let's see here. Netflix, did it come down to a level? Did it come down to a level? No, it has not. But see, here's the thing, right? It didn't quite get that cross, and RSI is converging back into its moving average, along with the MACD is not really convincing me just yet. I would probably wait for this cross, okay? Now, I'm going to go ahead and draw this line here, although it's okay. Let's find it on the 1 minute. I'm sure. There you go. We found it on the 1 minute. I was wondering where I could find a level here. It's essentially right here, established on the 1 minute. So we go back to the 5 minute. You have Netflix at 335.21. That is your level. Expect it, respect it. You saw it do so around here. pre-market. Okay. Let's see. My Mr. Coffee makes better coffee than Starbucks. Let's see. SPY. Netflix at a retest level. Okay, let me just catch up. All right, cool. All right, now I'm all caught up. Dum. You see that chart right there? You see that chart right there? You see that chart? Okay, listen. You guys know what to do with that? Do you really know what to do with that? I don't even need to give you a commentary on this one. It's drawn out for you, right? You got a level at 391.19, right? And it seems to be going on up, but then let's go ahead and fall back on the rules here. Traffic light puts you into play, but now we have RSI just making me anxious, making me nervous. Once RSI goes ahead and crosses into that moving average, I'm probably just going to go ahead and take my money, which you should have right here. You see where that wick came? These blue pill lines are... I'm going to have a straight up conversation with you guys, all right? So we got traffic lights on the daily and the 4-hour, exclusive to lifetime members over the next 2 weeks. You get to front run everything. It's going to be beta. Ladies and gentlemen, I've literally put my heart into this program and to this system, right? Let's get it. Now, broken light indicator on the daily sneak peek, HD, KHC, DGRO, and SCHD. All right, so I like HD. I don't really care for the other fucking tickers, but let's go ahead and look at HD, right? Now, again, before let's look at HD. Jesus Christ, I must have overloaded on coffee to overcompensate for the fact that I stood up late, and it wasn't with a hooker. That's the disappointing part. Okay, so anyways, we got HD here. Let's look at it on the daily. There goes your traffic light. There goes your traffic light. This is HD, right? Now, manage your risk. Your risk is going to be back up to the 48. The 48 is going to be 316.06, right? That is what your risk is. You're going to go ahead and buy contracts 30 days out, right? 30 days out. You want to give yourself some time. Maybe even give yourself 6 weeks, right? So that is HD. Now let's get back into this conversation here. You go ahead and you sign up for lifetime. You get to rock and roll with not only, right, the traffic light or the broken light, right? But we also have something else called the red light runner, okay? The red light runner is on the 4-hour. Okay, so you guys would be like running all those red lights, right? I mean, it's just like getting you guys going, right? I like it on the 4-hour and the daily, and keep in mind, right? You want the 4-hour to confirm the daily. You see what I'm saying? Just like we use the 1 minute for the 5. Do you know how powerful it would be where you have a 4-hour alert confirming the daily? Listen, guys, let's stop fucking around and finding out. Just go ahead, get your lifetime. It's 1348 for the OGs. Trade1348.com, right? 1348 for the OGs at trade1348.com. And you know what? I don't even know if, fuck it. Andy, drop the promo code in the chat for me. Drop the promo code in the chat for me. Let's do it. Let's do it. Broken lights are sick. Andy, you saw the charts, didn't you? I mean, I know you spent all your time like programming it and getting the UI set for me, but you saw the charts and they're fucking filthy, right? Stockbanger, he already knows. Stockbanger, don't have the blue pill line. Okay, you don't need the blue pill line. Not this one, right? Now, let's go back to the SPY in a 5-minute. Scott Brenneman. Please do not convince me that you're missing a chromosome. Broken light is the section for the 9-to-5ers, right? Where you're going to be able to play the daily and the 4-hour. The daily and the 4-hour. Now, we're gonna make the promo code public to anybody who's fucking watching. Want to jump on in? Get it at 1348. Andy, drop that promo code in the chat. Or Diana, drop the promo code in the chat. All right. Yeah, short the VIX. Someone just drop the code in the chat. Let's go. Yeah, I better hop on a boat if you OG Lifetime. OG Lifetime. There he goes. You guys see it there? OG Lifetime. OG Lifetime is your promo code. And you go ahead and get 1348, 50% off. Right? And beta will have access to it first for the next 2 weeks. You could pay for a lifetime with the 4-hour and a daily within 3-4 trading days, if not sooner. Not financial advice. I'm not making a statement, but I just know the power of this, right? I mean, after all, I came up with the fucking system. Jesus. Someone else is going to copy me eventually, right? Yes, Andy. Yes, he brings it up. And a masterclass. So we're going to do a masterclass on the 4-hour, the daily, and the 1 minute with the traffic lights. This is going to get filthy. Andy, please let him know. Promo code OG Lifetime 1348. Come get yours at trade1348.com. All right, back to the chart. Let's see. What do we have here with SPY on the 5 minute? Look where she came to. She came to a level. Okay. Good on you. Now, was it worth this additional emotional damage here if you knew where this was? And so now you're retesting and you're like, woohoo, I'm a great trader. I knew it was going to go up. Well, you had to wait 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35 fucking minutes. 35 minutes. And if you were playing 0-day contracts, because I know some of you degenerates are, your theta just got gobbled the fuck up. Let's see. Synthetic apes popping all the time. I know. All right. So what else do we have? What other tickers do we have here, guys? Let's see if the SPY is giving us another red candle here. Is it going to come back down to the blue pill line? Did it say I gave you more than you deserve? This we will find out in the next couple of candles here. Ryan Marshall. I really hope nobody's playing fucking O-Days. Let's see. AMD. Let's go ahead and check out AMD. AMD, all right, so we had some consolidation here, right? Why do we have consolidation here? You guys need to go ahead and go through your progressions, right? You had a level right here immediately. I could identify why we consolidated here and why we have these consecutive traffic lights right here, right? This is me reading the chart in real fucking time. Then you go ahead and you get another traffic light, which leads to a call. This traffic light, oh boy, 200 EMA. You knew this was a scalp. Why? Because we were below the 200 EMA, so therefore we're biased to puts. So you had to have expected this. And then you jump in a call and you're like, oh, why didn't it go? It didn't go because the 200's right there. Guys, if you follow the rules, you'll keep yourself from making stupid fucking mistakes. Right? I give you guys rules so you can make money, not lose money. And if you don't want to respect this, this is on you. And now you understand why your mother beat your ass. All right. So anyways, let's get back to the next ticker here. I want to check out NVIDIA. What is NVIDIA doing? NVIDIA was giving us all kinds of traffic lights here, right? All kinds. But let's go ahead and see. We do have a level right here. So we understand. We understand why we were getting those traffic lights. Ladies and gentlemen, just find your fucking levels, all right? Find your fucking levels here. This is massive consolidation. This is some whipsawing here, right? This MACD is fucking disgusting. Who would want to go ahead and put their money in this, right? Now, if you see something like this on a 5 minute and you don't see much opportunity, you go ahead and you jump on a 1 minute. Guys, I'm giving you free fucking game right now, and I feel the coffee kicking in. You got the traffic light here on the 1 minute. You get the cross, you get the call, you get a level, right? Don't be fucking greedy. This was a quick scalp. The 1 minute gave you an opportunity when the 5 minute didn't. Listen, ladies and gentlemen, the market's all about opportunity. You don't make money, you take money. That's the way we play this game. While you got a bunch of dumb fucks who are thinking left, you're going to play right. While you got somebody sitting on a 5 minute and you say, yeah, it's choppy on a 5 minute, but I'm still going to take your fucking money. I'm going to the 1 minute. Okay. Oh my God, I can't. Oh, I'm trying to catch up to myself this morning. Oh my God, I have a heart attack. But anyways, that's what we have here on the 1 minute. The 1 minute gives you that opportunity to take the Mr. 5 minutes money. Okay? Free game there. As long as you subscribe to the system, As long as you subscribe to the system, there's no reason why you can't make money. All right. Now let's go back to Starbucks. Starbucks ain't happen on the 5-minute. Well, that cross really didn't happen. You did have a level here. You had to have expected that. You got the RSI crossing on down. The MACD developed ever so slightly, but again, it's levels. You got to respect the levels. I don't know. I don't know how to explain this ever more. You got to respect the levels. Okay. You had to wait for the price action to actually catch up to the indicator because it was consolidating on the 48. That's what I said the first time I analyzed Starbucks, right? You guys need to be able to analyze these charts fast so you can make those actionable decisions. And the only way you're able to analyze these charts is through repetition, right? And the only way a system works is if it's done the same way each and every fucking time. I do not stray away from my system. That has made me a multi-millionaire. And you know what? Instead of spending time here on this live stream, I should be on a fucking boat just jerking off all fucking day, talking about mama, I made it. But I'm here just passing a gift forward. Respect my time. Respect what we're giving you guys. And take your trades seriously. No bullshit. Let's rock and roll. Let's see. What else are we doing? Winning loser up what? Winning loser, 15.2% on the portfolio, and done for the day. Winning loser, shut the fuck up. You're like Groundhog Day. You do the same shit over and over and over. You say we're up 15%. We're like, yes, good job. You say you're done for the day, and then in the afternoon, you just go ahead and say, I'm up 17%. Bro, congratulations. You're killing the game, but if you're done, you're done. All right? I love you, kid. Now, thanks, 1348 and Yellow Lights up 26% of my portfolio. What? Is that Greek girl? Is that what GRK stands for? Greek girl? I'm hoping. 12379. So you were born December 3rd, 1979? I'm assuming you just laid it all out there in your fucking screen name right there. Okay, anyways, no cap. Listen, winning loser, I do the same, but nowhere near the percentages. Moto Cabronius, do not. January 23rd. Oh, there you go. You can read it any which way. Love you too. Orlando says, Gabe, what would be the risk of playing the yellow lights on the 1 minute? Would it be the candle close at the 48? Okay, well, first off, Orlando, that's a very important question. But what fucking ticker are we talking about? It's not a candle close at the 48. It's where the nearest level is, because you could have a candle very far away from the 48, but you would have a level of support just above it. You got to take all things into consideration. Guys, stop looking for the bullet point answers. We don't do bullet point answers, okay? Let's go ahead and look at the SPY here. Let's do it. Let's break this down. On the 1 minute, do not follow my commentary here on the 1 minute because there's about a 5-second to 10-second lag between what I say and when you guys hear it. So, in this situation, your risk in this situation, brother, is basically previous candle high, right? Especially if she's moving up, that's your risk, is previous candle high, because you are so far away on the 1 minute. You are so far away from the 13. So you want to set your risk to previous candle high or midpoint to previous candle high. Look at her fucking run. Okay. Now there'll be situations where candles are above, let's say the 13, but then let's say there was a level supporting it right here. Then the game changes. The game changes in that you're going to go ahead and use the level as your support. Well, the support level here, right? You would use that as your risk. Okay. So again, it's just a matter of analyzing the chart and practicing that risk management. But as it stands, the SPY gives zero fucks today right now. It's just running. It is just running. I'm HR and I'm okay with it. The caffeine is flooding his veins right now. Absolutely. I'm fucking vibrating. Anyways, Scotty, thought on UFPI. 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 Here we go. 5 minutes. You got your traffic light. You're at the 200. You don't need my thoughts. You know what you need? You need to secure the bag, get the fuck out, and just rock and roll. Now, if you're playing it on a daily, well, you do have your traffic light, but you do have that level right here. Listen, man, stop being greedy. UFPI is not going to make you rich. It's just not. In fact, I'll go ahead and say 2023 is not going to make anyone rich unless you're a trader. Unless you're a trader. Winning loser, I'm not even going to fucking acknowledge you. Even though 18.8% is fucking filthy, but dude, congratulations, bro. You know, go do something with that money. You know, go buy your mother a new bra or some shit. Jesus Christ. Love you, kid. All right, what else are we doing here? Lord. Let's see. What else are we looking at? Come on, guys. Let's do this one.
Envidia.
Woo! Woo! Apple call, Nvidia ran. So, you know how Nvidia was choppy, and I was like, you want to fuck them up? Play it on the 1 minute? Hold my fucking beer in my left nut, please. Seriously. Let's see. Are you guys, you're seeing this with your own eyes, right? I mean, it's really not that hard. Come on, man. Let's see. Looking at Apple. Apple here looking like it wants to cross. Okay. You have this traffic light, and this traffic light paid. It paid. Now, if you want to fuck around and find out, you can do that too. But you can go ahead and jump on the 1 minute, and you can see right there. See how responsive the 1 minute is to this level, right? You guys want to fuck around and find out, or do you want to trust the charts? You want to fuck around and find out, or you want to trust the charts? Is it better to play the same stocks, or do you choose different ones daily? William Jack, you want to go ahead and get rich in this game, right? You just need five stocks. You need 5 faves, right? You understand its cadence. You understand how it moves. Everybody likes to SPY. Everybody likes NVIDIA because they're movers. There's a decent amount of open interest, decent amount of volume. You know, it's you find your vibe, bro, and you stick to those 5. Find your vibe, stick to 5. I like how that sounds. Andy, trademark that shit or something, please. All right. Anyways, back to the charts. Let's see. How soon does Broken Light come to platform? Well, no sooner than 2 weeks for you. Trade1348.com. Go ahead and secure that lifetime. We got OG lifetime, and I'm tired of giving you guys a fucking break. I'm going to be honest with you, right? I'm going to be the stern pops right now and just say, you know, you guys are just, you're milking me, and you're milking the strategy. You know, you're milking everything we have to offer. Okay? Go ahead. All right, Beaker, you're good then. I like you. But for those who are sitting in the back, you fucking slackers, stop milking me and start taking your life seriously. Because if I got to take your life more serious than you do, that's a fucking problem. And then it tells me that your current situation is just basically a consequence of a series of a lot of bad decision making. And we're here to break that trend. Okay, William Jack, let's go. Sachin Patel, I'm an OG lifetime. Hell yeah, dope. Lifetime secured, Tory, dope. Lock in, people. Let's go. Get your lifetimes. I ain't fucking around. Might even raise the price to like fucking 6,900. See if I'm playing with that one. But that might come with like one-on-ones too. I don't know. Maybe. Stock banger. Okay, hold on. I got a problem with this. Stock banger. Right? I like the number. I really, really do. Right? But you obviously are in STV's DMs for you to be dropping $150 into his fucking super chats, bro. STV, why do you send him? I must beat you. All right. I think 10K lifetime for public sounds right after we release all this new stuff. Absolutely. What are your thoughts on HLBZ? HLBZ. My thoughts are go fuck yourself. Bye. Anyways, what are we doing here? AMD, rocking and rolling. AMD rocking and fucking rolling. So let's see. Let's see something. But stock banger. You know that we're limited up to $500 for a week, right? So next week it's going to be a race to 500. That's it. I know STV is going to enjoy that. So go ahead and keep sending him some dick pics. I don't know. Make it worth his time. All right. So where we got? We got AMD. AMD is now at a level. Guys, don't fuck around and find out. You got the traffic light. It paid. Stop being greedy. Let's see. Alexander Cruz. Look at Jason's tweet. Who the fuck is Jason? Hey, Gabe. Good afternoon. Hey, DM Ohio. How you doing, bro? I apologize if this is not suitable for the workplace, DM. I know you're a hardworking man, right? But put on your fucking headphones then. Wall Street Ponzi, the millionaire you made. Ha ha ha. Let's go, Apple. You can do it. Millionaire Jason. Oh, that Jason. Okay. Well, I can't look at his tweet. I'm fucking banned from Twitter. Again. You guys are trying to silence me. Man. Listen, man, I'm just a fucking Puerto Rican from the city. I'm a nobody. I just want my red rice, my beans, my chuletas, and some fucking Twitter. Elon, can we make this happen? Thank you. Spy gearing up for a reversal? Let's see. Let's see. No, see, money. Are you questioning or are you making a suggestion? Because I really don't see a reversal yet. Again, okay, so here's the thing, right? If a reversal is not happening, if you do not have an indicator of a reversal, if you don't have a cross down, if you don't have a traffic light, if RSI isn't below 50, if MACD isn't showing red, if none of those things are happening, it's not a fucking reversal. Think, please. Help me help you. All right, back to the charts. Let's go. He's got 347% in the last week. Oh, Cutthroat, thanks for joining. Okay. 347%. I like that. In the last week, that's pretty dope. Very, very marketable, right? But those results are sort of kind of like atypical. But Jesus Christ, some of these dudes have said that's never happened before. What? Hey, Gabe, how come a lot of the daily predictions have large spreads on the options? It's due to open interest volume. It's just the game we play, right? You want to go ahead and try to find your mid-price. Okay, you want to find your mid-price. Anyways, going back to the charts here, this is not a reversal. I'm glad, I hope I cleared this up for you, right? Because you do not front run this. Let's see. Prospect, TRDR. I'm joining Lifetime. Thank you. Can a lot of you be more like Prospect? Like, seriously. Your wife is counting on you. You literally got 3 months before she starts fucking the pool boy. Come on. Be a man. Man the fuck up. Join Lifetime. All right. So, same guy that pumped AMC and does cheap coke. You know what I did? I did the smelly stench off your mother's fucking ass crack last night, Alexander. Get the fuck out of here. Anyways, stopped out 50% profit and spy calls. That's great. Been watching you in STV for a while. I'm starting over next week with 2K and want to be successful in this world. How would you do it? Marco Flores, you do it by paying attention to the fucking rules. Well, see, I mean, it is cheap because I get Coke, like the six, 6 pack, whatever. What the hell is going on today? I love it. We're having some fucking fun. Yes, kick that son of a like, seriously, like, again, there was so many ways. There's so many ways that he could have turned out. His father could have pulled out, bust him on the floor. His mom could have swallowed. There were so many ways that life form did not have to exist, right? So many ways. But his mother wanted the fucking child support money, that dumb bitch. Anyways, let's go ahead and rock and roll. What else are we looking at? This is actually the first time that Andy is rallying me. Oh, Andy. Be careful what you fucking wish for. Okay, Rat Roo Scooby, did Gabe pass out? No, I muted myself because I was laughing at myself, just talking to myself like, how the fuck did you let that out your mouth? Sometimes I'm just like, not even cable TV wants me. Seriously, Sirius Satellite would just be like, no, we can't have that. Okay, anyways, let's get back to tickers. I know we're like the greatest show in fucking stock trades, and I know, like, hey, it's Friday, you guys probably made all your money, but let's get back to some tickers here. Tomorrow, some random days where it just come with so much energy. What are we doing here? CMS on the daily looks good, but 4 hours cooked on our side. Should we stay out when it's cooked on lower time frames? All right, let's go ahead and look at CMS and then Tesla. Okay. CMS. All right, look it on a 5-minute, you got a traffic light, you got a level. All right, 4 hour, what is she doing? You got a traffic light, you got a put, you got death. That was money. Daily. You got a traffic light. This is death. Listen, I'm going to tell you straight out, you probably missed the fucking move, so don't even chase it. Don't even chase it. I wouldn't even mess around with this. Like, look it. This is the beauty of why we will have red light runners on the 4 hour. You see what happened here? Traffic light. You see what happened here? Traffic light. You know what else happens? You make a lot of freaking money. That's what happens, right? Trade1348.com. Link down in the description. Also pinned to the top of the comments. Go ahead and get yourself OG Lifetime, right? $1,348. That's fucking cheap. For the amount of money that we help you guys generate, you're robbing me. You're robbing us. You're taking my brilliant mind and you're whoring it around for a fucking 54-inch screen television. Like, whoo, made $1,500 this week. I'm gonna buy me a flat screen HDR TV. Let's see. Tell them how much UW Lifetime is. UW. Oh, Unusual Whales is like $3,600. Thanks for coaching me, coach. $3,600. Fuck that guy. Like, fuck Unusual Whales. I got an unusually large dick. Fuck that guy. Anyways, let's go ahead and get back to the charts here. Come on. Let's go to the SPY. Oh, man. Sachin. Okay, see? Okay, hold on. I like this kid. I really like this kid. He invested in himself. Look at that. A 40-inch monitor. You want to know why? Because he could see more, right? He's got porn here, he's got tickers here, and he's got his bank account here. And he's hoping that one day these tickers will allow that bank account to go ahead and get that whore on this other side. These are real life fucking goals that we could help you achieve. Am I making sense? Please don't make me feel like the only degenerate in the fucking room, guys. Come on. So SPY made all kinds of money here. You go to the 1 minute. Remember how we talked about like the 5 minute guy, but then you go ahead and you turn into the 1 minute guy, right? I guess this is the only time where no one faults you for jumping in 1 minute, right? It's a reversal start on TSM. All right. What did I just say? I'm going to scream at somebody. I'm going to scream at somebody. Okay. Here we go. Do we have a cross up the MACD? No. Is it actionable? Nope. Do we have RSI below 50? No. So therefore, is it actionable? Nope. Okay. Do we have any traffic lights suggesting a reversal? No. So is it actionable? Nope. Listen, guys, take the step back. I can't make this any simpler for you. It just can't. Like, how do you fuck up something that's foolproof? How do you fuck it up? Right? If you're trying to front run these things, when we've built the system on actionable alerts, crosses. All right, Waba. Okay, I know you're just curious, but I got to beat you up too. I do. I got to beat everybody up. It's tough love. It's what I do. It's my brand, right? I'm here to help you guys. You think you guys okay, listen, you soft-ass beta man bitches, this is the reason why you would never exist in fucking the NFL. You would never exist in the NBA. You would probably, come on. This is a game we play, right? Ain't no soft speech here. And this is real money. It's money. Come on. Follow the rules. Stick to the game plan. I'm your coach. I'm going to yell at you. That's it. Are there any women in the chat? No, they're not. Do you want to know why? Because they're out there fucking the dude who made 367% last week following the fucking rules. And the dude's like fucking 57 taking Viagra. Talking about this is the life Gabe was talking about. This is the life. Right? Jesus. She's like, he's looking at her like, what's wrong? She's like, you're not circumcised. He's like, yeah, and? She's like, pull it back. He's like, I can't. This is as far back as it goes. All right, anyways. JPM. Okay, cool. Hey, what are we looking at here? I got nothing for you here. You want to go to the 1 minute? We got something for you on the 1 minute. But you also got a level right here that it just broke. And so how freaking low did we go? We have a level right here. Oh, this is going to be a major level here, especially on a 1 minute. It's 1, 2. Are we going to get a third try at this? We'll find out. But the thing is, as it stands, this traffic light printed for you on the 1 minute, what is it doing on the 5? It's doing a whole lot of nothing. So what this means is this here, JP Morgan Chase, is not where I want to put my money. I don't want to put my money in the stock. I don't want to put my money in the fucking bank. I don't want to do none of this with JP Morgan, right? Mike Rose had a good question. When is it too late to get into a play after a traffic light? Okay. Okay, so that's rather subjective. I'm going to go ahead and talk about that on Sunday with the Lifetime guys. The Lifetime guys, I'm going to talk with them on Sunday about this, right? And basically what I have to do is actually formulate a precision strategy just on that, right? Because I really don't want it to be subjective, even though it is subjective, but the same rules apply. RSI, is it trending down? Is it below 50, confirming a downtrend? Is MACD printing red on the histogram? Yes. Is MACD below the neutral line? Yes. Then you can still go. Make sure it's not near a level. And make sure, wait, winning loser. Okay, I read this really quick. I was hoping you did not post that you made like fucking 36% because I was going to have one of the mods just boot you right now. All right, I'm going to buy you the best set of hearing aids money can buy because of my call the other day with the Air Blast. Winning loser. Yes, please. My ears are still ringing. They're still fucking ringing thanks to that. Let's go ahead and look at Baba here. Right? Oh, one request. Can you get me like the ultra like hypersensitive hearing aids? That way I can hear her say I boppy. All right, anyways, back to Baba. Baba's here. We got some green lights here. No reversal, nothing actionable on the 5-minute. Let's see. Trade the trends. You know what? I'm going to give it to you. You sort of kind of said Baba was setting up nicely, even though that was premature. And that's why your wife made you sleep on the couch, because you prematured last night. But you do have a traffic light here. You want to see momentum build. Now, where would your profit zone be? Your profit zone would be the 48 EMA. Right? And then your risk would actually be the 13. Quick. Don't get married into this shit. Look at Goldman. Okay. Oh! Who jumped out the window? Yo! Who jumped out the window? Oh, man. Trade to trend. You're waiting for the break of the 48? Yeah, I like that. Looks like Baba's getting tired. Yeah? But look at this. Oh, my God. You know what that candle? That candle looks like? The wife's home. Bitch, jump out the window. Go. Anyways, let's go back to Baba. Here we go. Baba is definitely setting up good. Yeah, that is ED, Tori. Dimlitzen, for your own well-being, I hope this call out on a Starbucks reversal is no. Okay. Jesus Christ. Dimlitzen, can you do me a favor and just change your name to fucking Dimwit? How many times do I have to go ahead and explain this to you? This is not actionable. It's not a reversal. Let's see. Mail Fraud Lou. I like that name. Let's see. Could you analyze Invictus VZ alert? We'll do that. And then we'll look at Tesla. Okay, back to the chart. Wait, what? Verizon, where we're at? The VZ alert, Invictus alert. I'm not really feeling this. I really feel like this is sideways action here. Let's look at Tesla. What is Tesla doing here? Tesla is kicking ass and taking names, but you got the blue pill line right here, and you decided you were gonna fuck around and find out. Do you know what? I'm not gonna be the reason why you gotta move back to your mom's house with your baby mama and your 6 kids, and your oldest boy looking at you like you're a pathetic fuck up. Like seriously, then you end up like Alexander, and then we have to boot you too. Yeah, we don't want that. Stop fucking around. You find out. Blue pill line. Make your money. That's it. Apple. Let's go ahead and look at Apple. Apple potential cross. Blue pill line. Nothing really actionable right now. Why are you guys trying to force this? Let's not force anything. Could it be emotional damage coming? Very, very, very possible. Especially with our side breaking below its moving average and it being below 50 here. Same time on Sunday. Wait. We do have football on Sunday for the football fans. I think we'll try to... Lifetime members. You want it at 2 o'clock on Sunday? Just after church. So you go to church, you ask God to forgive you, and then you come listen to my Antichrist ass, right? Before church? So you could ask for forgiveness? Perfect. We could do that too. I'll talk with STV and we'll find out. 2 p.m.? You guys like 2 p.m.? Spy death candle? Let's see. Let's see. Who just said that? P2 Forge mods. P2 Forge, are you a paying member? P2 Forge, are you a paying member? Let's have that conversation. P2 Forge, you a paying member? Your church won't be banned because the good 10%. I know, right? P2 Forge, are you a paying member? I'm waiting for him. Waiting for him to respond. If you are, you get a pass. Okay. So if he's a paying member, he gets a pass. If he's not, mods boot his ass. That was just absolute stupidity. Let's go ahead and look at, let's see, I'm wondering what the XY is doing here. Oh, boy. Oh, my God. Look at that traffic light. Look at that traffic light here with DXY. Coming on down. Really, really quick. Making that money. All right, guys. I'm going to go ahead and reload on some fucking coffee for the 12:30 stream. Also, you're setting levels at the daily highs and lows and pre-market, not after hours, correct? West Palm Dan, are you a lifetime member? Right? You can't request nothing of me unless you're paying me. All right. Anyways, listen, I'm out. I'm gonna get some coffee. Oh, you pay monthly? Okay, cool. You're cool. Thanks. Anyways, I'm out. I'm gonna get some coffee. 12:30. Call in live. Trade 1348. Get yourself a lifetime membership. Stop fucking around. All right. Get your traffic lights for 2 weeks before everybody else, and all the other cool shit we have in the funnel. There's a lot of cool things we got in the funnel. All right. Lifetime members get first access to it. Right. And you know what's interesting though? Like, once you pay 1348, we never ask you for another fucking dollar. And you're literally just banking. Like, that's really wild. Unlike college, university, if you flunk, they're still asking for their money. And then if you don't pay the money, then the feds come after you and be like, bitch, where's we gave you a grant. You better pay the student loan back. We're not asking for none of that stuff. Let's see. You think Spy continue downtrend? Black man, because I like you. Because I really like you. I'm gonna answer that one. Because I really like this guy. Black man is cool. Can you guys be more like Black man? Netflix? Okay. Let's look at Netflix. Netflix. I'm not betting on anything right now. Blackman. All right. So, okay. How can I put this in simplest terms? Um, if your mother told you not to do something, did you know better not to do it? I hope so. Right? That's what the blue pill lines are to me. Right? That's my mother telling me not to do it. The few times I fucked around, I definitely found out. You got in at the drop on the top. Okay, so you have that blue level, blue pill line as your target, but you're profitable right now. You are profitable right now, aren't you? Blackman, how much are you up on that trade? I think everybody wants to know. How much are you up on that trade? But how much are you up? Blackman, how much are you up? Well, I really want to make a good point out of this. So, Blackman, how much are you up? Get out of your trade and then tell me what your profit was. I really want to make a good point out of this. Yeah. I need the Jeopardy music. I need something while Blackman comes back and tells me where he secured profit. Hey, you made 12% or you made 1200%? Help me out here. Okay, you took profit. Thank you. I want a percentage. Percentage. In the trading world, we talk in percentages, not dollar amounts. Asafal, no, you can't contact me privately. I'm not accessible like that. You would literally have to jump over my gate, get past my security, and then vandalize my car for you to get my attention. Um, um, Blackman, come on, help me out here, bro. I gotta go. I want to go. I need to take a shit. It's counting on you. Right now, I got turtle butt. Hurry the fuck up, bro. Blackman, help me out. Percentage wise, what you make? He's doing maths. So he's looking at like his orders, his entry and then his exit. He's doing some maths right now, but um, let's just say for shits and giggles, all right. Rick, no. Let's not call it BS. Um, Gabe, do you know any good resources for starting with Turo? Yeah, it's called the dealership. Get yourself a car, then go ahead and scout online. You gotta check. There's actually a Turo Facebook group, but get yourself a vehicle. Use a percentage calculator, dude. Yeah, I give up. I give up. We're done here. Uh, we're done here. But if he made $1,200, huh, on this move here, Arvin, the 10K challenge, I posted it earlier. I'm only up 30% on the port so far. I started with 10. I'm at about 13,000 right now. It's slow and steady for me. You're not going to get any rock star moves from me up until I hit a level. All right. I know. Blackman probably just, I don't know. Anyways, I'm out. Blackman, maybe next time on the next stream, you go ahead and just let me know. I wanted to make an example out of Blackman, and I know exactly why. I know exactly why Blackman didn't answer. So Blackman made $1,200, and I did the math there. Now, if that was a 10% move, that means he risked 10 grand. That's why Blackman isn't stepping up. And it could be O-Day. And if that was a 20% run, then that means he risked 6,000. Okay, I'm out. I'll see you guys at